Ya ukhulumayo lana uJohn Bull Sibeko.
Station 5
Black Aces defender and currently a member of South African Masters and Legend deputy chairperson in the province.
Njengoba ulana umuntu omdala ngicela usho your role ukuthi
Station 5
Njengoba ngilapha we are enjoying ourselves as Legend
Station 5
on a very powerful program for the first time which is called Team Soccer Challenge of football level eyethu. So it is the first of its kind. And with an objective of extending it other townships Ekurhuleni.
Station 5
This is a special invitation.
Station 5
this is the first time. So we want to expand to other areas like Abu Wadville and Abu David Hall. So njengoba wona ulidlalile namhlanje what does it say to you nomphakathi ukuthi bazile bazosupport?
Yes, actually this program is long overdue. Our region Ekurhuleni forever, if you are not going to make sport as a unifying factor, sport as a platform where the youth will come and participate. And also what is good about this special event is that it unites the community. It brings people together. This is a festive season, and as you can see around, people are enjoying themselves locally. So not only that, we are trying to show through these games our players ukuthi football ibuyaphi. Tina ourselves, we are product of Ikasi football, and it has got everything. And that is also the platform that we want to use to address social problems, to address issues of alcohol. Right now, our country is on 16 days of activism against women and children. So it's a good space to continue to be also the champions and to be the drivers of such messages. So what with these games, all that we are saying is that let us know each other, let us have fun in our spaces, unlike going to other areas and stuff. We should be doing these things just in our neighborhood.
Kancane ngicela ubuyisele emuva to ama-legends, and you mentioned ukuthi these games azoya nakwamanye ama-surrounding neighborhood lana, so azoba December or you gonna take unyaka as the year progresses, mhlawumbe kunokuba khona ama-Easter, khona ama-winter games, it's gonna be into ka-December kuphela or just?
Yeah, actually it will take all of us to build this country through these games. Especially they remind us ukuthi sibuyaphi. That is why they are called team. We used to play team from the morning, esikolweni during short break and afternoon. And as a result, that is why the quality in terms of our players during our time, I'm not saying now players, but till now we're a product of such games. But we want to extend and preserve the nature of our history. Because lento team ibuya kude. When you go to Barcelona, bakhuluma nge-small-sided games. No, we used to have it from long time before. So I think by expanding on this, our areas definitely will benefit, and it will also assist us. Some of us, like the gentleman next to me, Upreza, Itogoza, used to benefit a lot from such people. You look how happy he is. And at his age, now Pumile, Kona Lana, and that is what we want to achieve. Definitely, we are planning which Lama Games now because we need that sport from in our country. Whether you're talking rugby or the champions, sport, it's unifying us. Go to cricket, we are doing well. Go to about under 20, we are doing well. So this is just an extension to them saying we want to be home of champions. Remember, we are Gauteng. Gauteng is the home of champions. So I want also to we want to appreciate and thank the organizers who have brilliantly came up with this concept. And that this is our role in the organization, to partner with Progressive, right? To partner with, to work with them and to work through them to build our communities.
Siyabonga kakhulu mntu omdala, siyabonga kakhulu.